Over the years, driving around, I've found many things that people were throwing out on garbage night. There were 4 of these chairs on the side of the road one day. They were all in their natural wood stain, but there was a lot of wear to them. So after taking them home, cleaning them up, and much sanding, they were ready for a new coat of paint. Several cans of semi-gloss black paint later, the chairs now look like this. People throw out a lot of chairs, but with a little sanding and some clear polyurethane, they can look new again. Recovering a bottom cushion in black vinyl can help too. The entire back of this chair was loose when I found it. There was a broken spindle and many loose ones too. After repairing the spindle, sanding, gluing, putting the chair back together, all it needed was a fresh coat of polyurethane. These are 2 of my favorite discoveries. Originally, the seats of these chairs were covered in wicker just like the backs and the sides. The wicker was a medium brown color that matched the color of the wood. The frames were restained and resprayed with polyurethane. The wicker was masked off and spray painted in a satin black. I have no idea how to repair wicker chair seats, so instead of even trying, I cut out plywood, added some padding, and recovered the bottoms in black vinyl.